All right, y'all. Give y'all a little intro. Because I couldn't give you one on the water because we launched really early. It was dark when we launched. So, but I went fishing with Joe yesterday. A little buddy of mine, good buddy of mine. Redfish Joe is what I call him. But anyway, it turned out to be a pretty good day. Joe caught the biggest one. I think it was like 22 or something. And he caught another slot, 18 and a half or something. And then the rest that me and him caught were rats. So, I mean, we caught a good amount of fish, decent amount of fish, but not nothing, no huge ones. But it was still fun. Still had a good time. I always have a good time when I go with Joe. He knows what he's doing. Learn a lot from him. But, yeah, so I just wanted to give y'all a quick little intro and, yeah, hope you enjoy the video. All right. I don't know what that is. A little red, maybe? Yeah? Yeah? A little small red.
Yeah, I don't have to feel guilty anymore.
He hit weird.
That's where you are. It's fucking red right out in the middle.
Yeah, he hit really weird too.
That's what, yeah. Did he feel like he got off?
Yeah, he just kind of hit it and
That's why I said, oh, he's off.
kind of hit it and sat there and little rat, little baby. All right, bye, buddy.
That's what mine did. I was reeling in the slack. That's why I didn't feel anything. And then when I got the slack out, he took off.
Yeah, and he hit right when it hit the water too.
I can stop feeling not guilty, but
You don't have to feel like that.
he got it red.
He was kind of right off this point up here.
So that fucking bobber and live trip idea ain't so bad now. When I went with Don, Chewy, they both caught a lot of fish by those oysters. I didn't catch shit.
Yeah, you never catch.
Don caught 3 reds.
You never catch anything by them by oyster bars, do you?
Fucking
Never. Oh.
Chewy was just killing the trout.
Yeah.
But I couldn't wait to get in the fucking creek. And I abandoned them because it started to get like ridiculously windy. I'm like, fuck this bullshit. I hate fucking. I'm not catching anything here, but I know where I can.
Yep.
And sure enough, Don did get one in there, and he got busted off by one too. So he would have got 2 in that creek. I caught 8 or 9, something like that.
Filming you. Joe's hooked up.
Oh,
That's probably the one we saw bust on the shoreline. He looked like he was massive. That's a good one. Oh yeah. I bet that's the same one, Joe.
that's why you have a fucking net. I thought it was a fucking rock.
Yeah. I bet that's the same damn one we saw bust on the shoreline. Nice.
You can't edit that out. Come on. It's 22. I'm gonna guess.
Yeah.
Fat.
Yeah, he's fat. He's eating. I bet it's the same one we just saw. Just saw one bust on the shoreline over here.
See, Don? That's why I use a net.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's the same fish. We got him. 23. 23, 24, 23.
21 and 3/4.
So you were right, 22.
Yep. Oh, nope, 22 when I do the tail trick.
Nice. Yep. Well, all right. That should be where we're going then, huh?
They said it's fucking pinhook cutoff.
Mm-hmm.
Give us the take.
Yep. All right, let me get out of the shallow water. Saw something right there.
It didn't even hit, I swear to God.
Yeah.
I was like, that's a rock. Then it started taking off when I tried to hook the rock.
Yeah. I bet it was the same damn fish. I'm telling you. All right, Joe's hooked up again. Rat.
It's a rat.
Yeah. Still a red.
That counts as a catch if I had it in the kayak.
Where'd you get him? Just in the middle?
Right here.
In the middle?
Yep. No, well, towards the right more. Towards the bank more.
Yeah. 15. All right.
You owe me. I got a fucking rock. You got a red. That quick.
That quick. Copper. Copper as hell too.
Copper.
Big time.
Right in the mouth where you are.
Yep.
Yep. Good area. Probably ambush and shit.
Uh-huh. It's right around the right on the point there. Ah. Yeah.
But it worked, you got a red. Welcome to the waterfall. The second set of rocks that you see. Somewhere I was standing somewhere fucking over here with a trout. But it was so far out of water. I can't even fucking remember, but I know. Oh, I think you sound like you hit something.
Yep. Hit one of your rocks.
That first time they couldn't get here because the fucking water, there's like no water. The water's on that, that's where they all were.
Yeah.
Once I figured it out, I fucking dragged my shit across the waterfall. The second time there was none there. I did it for nothing. All on this side. Because there's no way they can get nowhere they can fucking get from one to the other when they're doing that waterfall shit.
Mm-hmm.
Everything to your right was fucking like either half inch of water or nothing.
Yeah.
And that waterfall was only like maybe 3 inches of water going down from. But it's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, all right. So that right here is where I took the trout. Right here, this is like fucking. Literally, it was dry like right here.
Yeah.
Because I remember that's the rock pile somebody asked me about. We went over the waterfall, I believe, yeah.
Yeah.
Man, what a fucking difference.
Yeah.
I got a jap in front of you. That's a rock. I got a rock. I should have known. And the way this, oh you see, I'm going right over it.
Mm-hmm.
This is the waterfall. Look at the fucking rocks.
Fucking crazy.
Now everything to your right was fucking out of the water or like super shallow.
Mm-hmm.
To the left more enough to fucking float. I remember the first time me and you went, it was basically like this with the tide coming in.
Yeah.
Look at those fucking rocks sticking out. Look at them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember them.
Like that?
Not like that, but I remember seeing them. Shit, I think me and you doubled up right there the first time we came.
That was back towards the mouth.
No, I thought it was right there. The little cove. Or little drain or whatever.
Just before where you caught yours on the other side.
Oh.
That first cove. Because this is basically the middle.
Okay.
We doubled up early, almost as soon as we got in.
Yeah. Oop, I just got a bump.
Sure you didn't get a rock?
Mm-mm, that was a fish. Definitely a fish.
I've only caught 2 things ever in here. Redfish and trout. No other fucking species. No floundering on the... It's still early going.
Nah. It's my drive. Yeah. It's just as loud as hell now. Joe's hooked up again. Pulling.
I'd never live it down.
Huh?
this spoon so.
Oh shit, my bad. Fucking trolling motor hanging off. Joe just got him another one. How many is that for you, Joe?
6.
6. I only caught 2. Joe's killing it today.
Almost all of them I think have been in coves.
Yeah. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. Little rat.
It don't fucking matter. They're red.
He's copper too, boy. Oof.
Especially the top. This double point. Where? Right along that grass line?
Yeah, right out in there.
I'm trying to figure out what the fuck they're doing and I can't.
Look at the color on that thing. Golly. It's freaking sick.
I mean, that's not really a fucking ambush.
Yeah, I don't know.
It might have been moving. You got 1, 2, 3 juicy shit. Are you YouTubing your catches?
I'm doing yours too.
But you're doing yours, right?
Yeah.
You're putting it on YouTube?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful because YouTube has a policy about the first 60 seconds you can't have an F word.
All right.
First minute or 2.
Yeah. That might be kind of hard with fishing with you. Huh? Yeah.
I don't think they covered them.
Joe's got one on again. 14. Yeah. Yeah.
Where?
Right by that mouth, by the little drain. Yeah. A gator just slid in the water right there too.
What?
A gator just slid in the water right there too.
That big?
It wasn't that big. It's really hard to turn with this damn thing. Set it in. Pretty good day, not too bad. I think Joe caught 8 or 9, 10 or something maybe. I don't know. I think I only caught 4 or 5. Not too bad though, pretty good day. Wind's blowing like crazy right now, so
5.2.
trying to make it back. Alright, y'all.